Oh, such a good throw. There you go. Throw it. Good girl. There you go. Throw it this way. Throw it this way. Throw it towards Mama. Yeah. That was good. Here. She's throwing both of them at the same time. Ball. You have 2 balls. Are you dancing? Taking a dance break? Go throw it at Daddy.
Throw me the ball. Charlie, throw me the ball.
Careful. Let's not dump that. Where are you going?